Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your Earbuds Energy System Style 4. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case. And your earbuds now disconnected from the phone. You can check it in the settings if you go to the settings and Bluetooth or connected devices. So I have iOS right here near to the earbuds. We have information not connected. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices or Media Devices to Save Devices, meaning the same. But it also depends because, let's say, on Realme we have the text under your earbuds in use when your earbuds connected with the phone and no information when it disconnected from the phone. Okay, after that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds reconnect to your phone automatically and you will see them at the device list. Sometimes it happened with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to enter pairing mode you don't want to reconnect automatically. So if you have this problem, you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices and tap at your earbuds. And with this method you can fix a lot of small and sometimes big troubles with your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!